Oh, man. Ben, what are you doing? We were almost done. You ruined everything. Ah! You always make mistakes like this. I am really disappointed in you. Are you disappointed in me? Why do you say that? What happened before that? Everyone, listen to me, please. Today, our school has a house model contest. The winner will get a trip to the museum. The deadline is the end of today. Tom, join me, and we can make something great. We only have 2 people, and we need 2 more.
I have 2 friends, and we can invite them. That's a great idea.
This is Kevin, and this is Bon. Hey, guys. Hi. This is Tom, and he is my best friend.
Let's work together and build a model.
We are a team now, and we will do our best. We are having so much fun together.
I have an idea for our model.
Ah.
That is a great idea.
I think we can... Yes, let's do that. Tom, I think this part should. Wait, Win, you continue. I do not know what to say now. Haha, yeah. You see this? It's amazing! That's what I was talking about. I think this part goes here. Yeah, that's better. I feel like I am not here. I feel really sad and upset. I feel very lonely right now. No one listened to me before. I do not want to lose Tom, and he is my best friend. I need to do something to fix this. Oh, I remember the cake. Tom really likes that cake. If I buy it for him, he will smile again. I will go now and get it. Wah! I need to be quick. This will make Tom happy. Tom will like this a lot. I got it! Wow, I am back, and I have something special. They look so happy without me. Oh no! Look out!
Whoa!
Oops. No. Ben! What are you doing? I just wanted to... I am sorry. Sorry is not enough now. We cannot fix this in time. This is my favorite cake. Did Ben buy this for me? I need to find him now.
Ben, where are you? Ben!
Ben, where are you? Ben. Ben, I am sorry. You do not need to say sorry. I am sorry. We only cared about the model and forgot about you. It's okay.
I just did not want to lose you, Ben.
You are my best friend, and I will not lose you. We are still good friends. Tom! Ben! Tom! Where are you? We are sorry. We are sorry. I broke our model.
I am sorry because I did not listen to Ben.
Yeah.
We only focused on the work and forgot about him.
I was too angry before. We were wrong too. It is okay. We are still friends. Yeah! We can build it again. Let's do this together again. Yeah! We only have a few hours left. Maybe we should stop. We cannot finish in time. No, we still have time. Trust me, we can build it again, faster and simpler. We will do this together. All right, let's go. Got it. Over here. Push together. Perfectly. Adjust here. Almost there. Careful. Looks perfect. Ah, we did it. This looks good now. We are done. Ah! It is simple, but it is nice. Oh no! It is afternoon. It is time to submit the model. Let's go! Keep going! Keep going! Almost there. Hurry! We made it.
Everyone, I am going to check and mark your models now. Excellent work, boys. I'm impressed by the level of detail. Now, I will tell you the results. The winner is Team 1.
Wow! We did our best!
Great job, everyone.
We lost. That's okay, man. It is okay. We did our best. I am happy we did this together. We are a good team. We are happier than winning. If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.